Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog, video vlog type. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so I haven't posted in a really long time and I just thought it's time. So my house is a mess. I haven't been home. I've been sick and I'm so embarrassed to show you guys, but we're gonna do a super quick clean with me because it hasn't happened in a while and it looks pretty messy. So before we get started, I'm pissed off because it's so dark in here. Give me a second. Yeah, so I got a little more light in here. I hope it looks a little brighter, but I want to do super quick clean with me. I'm getting rid of some stuff. This house is just horrible. But let me show you guys. Let me show you guys because when I say it's bad, it's actually bad. 1 second. You guys, my house hasn't been this bad in forever, but it is, and I'm not gonna hide it. We are gonna clean this up as fast as possible. I just got this in. It comes out later on in IKEA and later October, so I'm not gonna get into details with that. But I'm getting rid of this, which I had there, and I'm getting rid of that one that I no longer need because I was just using it for storage. So this is what the house looks like, and it's a freaking mess, but we're gonna clean it. So let's start the montage. Sweating up a storm in here, but anyways, I'm gonna take a quick break. Okay guys, I'm back. I got my hair up in a braid. It was too hot for me, so back to it. Okay, the sun is starting to set, but I'm gonna keep on going and I'm gonna turn on the light so you get better lighting. But I'm pretty much done with this side. I just need to wipe everything down and I'm gonna clean that stain because it's hideous. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna wipe them down, but I'm gonna do it towards the end and clean that stain with our stain cleaner, whatever it's called. But I'm gonna move you guys that way so you guys can see my view on this side. So I'm trying to find a good spot to place you guys so you guys can basically see the whole everything. You know what, I think what I'm gonna do, no, you can, well, you can see some of this, maybe that way. Okay, I'm gonna move this thing, and if I'm gonna place it over there if you can see it better. Okay, now on to this side of the house. I was gonna wipe that down, but I think I'm gonna wipe it down at the end with everything else. Sounds good? Yes. A donation?
Yes.
What's the cause?
Oh, hell, bye.
Bye. Love you.
Dude.
He's an idiot. Hey, go, play. Look at Hey you guys, it's the next day. I'm editing the vlog for you guys, and I noticed that I did not end it. 1, 2, my camera stopped recording, so I do apologize for that. I guess the video ends here. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to let me know down below if you guys want to see any other videos. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.